to guthi kanitha katiba ni yugite o mundu ena haki ya worship kuri arienda na tiria mbere ona munene wa bururi athi kanitha ona gitaru ya gatagati ni aturaga thiaga ona munini wa bururi ni aturaga thiaga no haha ri hena ubroka na ubroka rokira wa mbere ti thwe ona twamurire mabroka maya ungirora wega history ri ni mabroka methire njira ya gupenya thini magipenya wapenywo ri kwina mauru maria yuthi magoro-ini na maruru maingi muno na one of them ni uria ayuthi moragirwo na hindi yo ni twari na maruru muno na hindi yo ningi tukihoka ringi o mutata tukihoka ruta mundu ta muhunjia agokaga tuhunjiria agatuthikira ciana citu na tuthikira akaria uru kana ti uru akaria na hinya muno na ruo ruingi muno akarelate na ithui akauga go ti wega na gutiagirirwo oguo na akauga na hinya muno ta religious leader you know speaking truth to authority akamera atiriri this is not supposed to be happening to our children rucio rungire akauga asa besa mutigeitange besa cia muingi mugacitanga makanitha-ini na kuria kungi you know there is no budget allocation for churches in Kenya eni na nikio yuthi mathire fara na makiuga kanitha harambe itigwo tondu besha ici gutiri handu budget-ini mubunge wakwa kagucia kana uyu wa Roysambu aigite handu akaiga besa cia kanitha na hau no twarakarite na tugithi fara koguo tona ona hunjia makiamukira andu aya ri na ni mathia kanitha a politicians ni mathia kanitha guotheri that is fine no haria muhunjia uria uratuthikari uria uraria karugama na youth na agenda ya youth ri ukuyukia mundu ri na fiu ni turona haha ti kanitha moka haha ni siasa kwaria mathiko ici siasa ciana nyingi muno ni ciakuire ni undu wa kuregana na siasa kanitha-ini but our religious leaders have returned politics in churches mara confuse ciaria itu ni mara confuse ruriri and again as young people we feel betrayed because these people stood with us and now they have embraced the same politicians who harassed us na toguo tu because they are not coming to worship alone they have turned a whole service to be a political rally for that person we are seeing religious leaders endorsing projects that we the people feel this one is not working this one has a problem this one should be checked no wita mutongoria wa kanitha warugama haria wauga wa nirauta wira mutumia ucio wikarite haria ri ni agugwitikia ta mutongoria wa kanitha na kiria kiratura muno wakarite tutire ciana Gen Z are very learned everybody has gone to school and that is where there is now a problem with this older generation